While scraping single pages is useful, on most websites you'll find that data is spread across multiple pages, like on this job board. To scrape this with Simplescraper, click on the Simplescraper icon, and then choose Scrape Lists. Then click the blue Detect List button, and you see that Simplescraper will highlight the list of jobs in green. You can see this in the side panel as well. Under Select Navigation, for a navigation method, choose Next Page button, and then click Select. Then, on the web page, scroll down to the button that navigates to the next page and click on it. The CSS selector will be visible in the side panel, and the button changes from blue to green. Choose how many pages you wish to navigate. In this example, we'll go with 3, and then click on Start Scraping. Simplescraper will scrape the first page, automatically navigate to the next page, scrape that data too, and then repeat that for all of the pages that we've set. In the table in the side panel, we can see that Simplescraper has successfully scraped 81 jobs across 3 pages, and this data looks good. All we need to do now is download it in our favorite format to use the data as we wish. And if we want to run this recipe again, click Save Recipe, and you can run that recipe in the cloud or the browser at any time.